Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text-to-speech for TikTok PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my computer, and first of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for the TikTok voice generator. There will be some websites you can use, but I recommend you to use this website to generate TikTok voice. You can go to this website, countic.com, and you can select the TikTok voice generator. Okay, and here you can choose the language. I'm just going to select English, and you can choose the voice, the type of the voice you want to use, and I'm just going to use this trickster voice. Okay, and you can type your text. I'm just going to type in, "Hello guys, welcome to my channel." Okay, like this. And once you're ready to generate your TikTok voice, you can click on generate. Okay, and just wait for a moment. And now the voice has been generated, and I'm going to play it, guys.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Okay, then you can download it. And after that, you will be able to use the TikTok voice to be added to your TikTok video. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create TikTok text-to-speech on PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.